Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bullet Bill from Super Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the left side and let's draw a curve. And then from the top, let's continue it by curving it up, and the same thing underneath. Now from the top and the bottom, let's bring it over. And then close off the end with a long curve down. Now from the top, let's step down and let's draw a line over. And the same thing at the bottom. And then another curve down. Now from the top corner, let's angle it up and angle it down from the bottom corner. And again, a long curve down. Now from the top and the bottom, let's draw another line out. And then one more curve to close off the end. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the details starting with the eye. Let's start inside on the left side and let's draw an angled line up. And then draw a curve underneath. Now inside the eye at the top, let's draw another curve in the same way. And then one more inside this one. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move over and let's draw the arm. On the right side here, we'll start with a curve. And then two angled lines down and over. Now underneath the left side, let's draw a curve. And then from the bottom of the right line, let's curve it over to the left. Now let's draw the hand at the end. From the top, let's bring it up and over. And then underneath, let's draw the first finger with a curve out and down. Then the next finger with a bump down. And then a third bump underneath, bringing it all the way back in. And that's it for the hand. Lastly, let's draw a circular curve around the arm like this. And that's it for Bullet Bill. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!